The Cadillac CT4V Blackwing is a true testament to the brand's engineering prowess and performance legacy. With a sleek design, a potent engine, and razor-sharp handling, this car is not just a performance sedan, but an experience that drives enthusiast passions to the next level. So today, we're diving into all the details about the Cadillac CT4V Blackwing, exploring everything from its powertrain to its driving dynamics. Whether you're a die-hard Cadillac fan or a newcomer to the brand, the CT4V Blackwing is definitely worth your attention. Let's start under the hood, where the CT4V Blackwing really shines. Cadillac has chosen to equip this powerhouse with a 3.6-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine. This engine isn't just about numbers, it's about delivering pure, unadulterated performance. It churns out an impressive 472 horsepower and 445 pounds-to-feet of torque, which, when paired with the 8-speed automatic or 6-speed manual transmission, provides a thrilling driving experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tearing up the track, this engine feels alive at any speed. Now, for those who prefer the engagement and tactile feel of the manual transmission, Cadillac has you covered. The 6-speed manual gearbox is perfectly paired with the car's high-performance nature, giving you full control over every shift. Of course, the 8-speed automatic is no slouch either, with lightning-fast gear changes and adaptive shift patterns that make it an excellent choice for those who prefer ease without compromising performance. Taking this car to the track reveals its true character. Cadillac didn't just build the CT4V Blackwing to be a fast sedan on paper, it was designed with the track in mind. Its magnetic ride control, which is standard on this model, uses sensors to adjust the dampers in real time, providing a level of control and comfort that you wouldn't expect from such a performance-oriented car. The system makes sure that whether you're taking tight corners or cruising down a straight road, the ride remains smooth, stable, and composed. And let's not forget the upgraded Brembo brakes, which are there to ensure you can decelerate just as confidently as you accelerate. One of the most impressive aspects of the CT4V Blackwing is its handling. Cadillac engineers paid close attention to weight distribution and chassis rigidity to ensure this car feels as connected to the road as possible. The car's rear-wheel drive setup helps balance power and performance, giving the CT4V Blackwing an edge in handling. Especially when it comes to tight corners and high-speed cornering. There's a sense of precision and confidence behind the wheel that's rare to find in a car of this size. Let's talk about design. The exterior of the CT4V Blackwing is unapologetically aggressive. The front end is dominated by a large grille and sharp lines that give the car a purposeful stance. The sculpted hood, paired with sleek LED headlights, gives the car a menacing look that's hard to ignore. The carbon fiber elements on the front splitter, side skirts, and rear spoiler aren't just for looks either. They improve aerodynamics and help enhance the car's performance by keeping it stable at high speeds. Inside the cabin, Cadillac doesn't disappoint either. It's a perfect blend of performance and luxury, with premium materials and an intuitive tech suite. The leather-wrapped steering wheel and sports seats are designed for maximum comfort and support, especially during spirited driving sessions. The seats themselves are bolstered to keep you in place as you push the car to its limits, and they come with an optional carbon fiber package that further enhances the performance-oriented feel of the vehicle. The dashboard is dominated by a sleek, high-resolution touchscreen that integrates Cadillac's user-friendly infotainment system. It supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so you're always connected, whether you're on the road for a long journey or heading to the racetrack. The available premium sound system ensures that your soundtrack for the drive will always sound incredible, no matter how fast you're going. But the CT4V Blackwing isn't just about speed and luxury, it's about safety, too. Cadillac includes a comprehensive suite of safety features to keep you secure behind the wheel. Standard features include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, and rear cross-traffic alert. The car is also available with advanced options like adaptive cruise control and a 360-degree camera system, making parking and maneuvering in tight spaces a breeze. Now, let's talk price. The CT4V Blackwing isn't the most affordable performance sedan on the market, but it is certainly one of the best value options in its class. Pricing starts in the mid-$60,000 range, which puts it in direct competition with other high-performance sedans, such as the BMW M3 and the Mercedes-AMG C63. While the Cadillac might not be the cheapest, it offers a unique blend of luxury, performance, and American engineering that's hard to match. When it comes to overall driving experience, the CT4V Blackwing stands out in a crowded field of performance sedans. It offers the power, precision, and luxury that enthusiasts crave, and it does it in a way that's uniquely Cadillac. Whether you're pushing it on the track, taking it for a weekend drive, or just cruising down your favorite back roads, the CT4V Blackwing offers a thrilling driving experience that few cars can match. To sum it all up, the Cadillac CT4V Blackwing is more than just a performance sedan, it's a statement. It combines stunning performance, a refined driving experience, and the kind of luxury that Cadillac is known for, all while offering something that's distinctly American. With its blistering performance, exceptional handling, and striking design, it's a car that is sure to turn heads and keep car enthusiasts grinning every time they get behind the wheel. If you're looking for a car that combines the best of both worlds, the performance and luxury of the CT4V Blackwing should definitely be at the top of your list. It's a car that not only lives up to its V-Series pedigree but pushes the boundaries of what a compact performance sedan can achieve.